Good morning. So this is our day 3 in Pondicherry, and I'm wearing this Holi t-shirt because today is Holi and happy Holi to everyone. And I'm here. This is
Urban Nomad.
Urban Nomad, and आज हम try करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे scuba diving. So अभी हम यहाँ पे it's morning 6:30 I think, और अभी हम अंदर जाके we are gonna get some training. Pool के अंदर हमें थोड़ा train करेंगे scuba के लिए. Then we'll go to the ocean for actual scuba. So let's go inside. So हम यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग होने वाले हैं so that we get adapt to that ocean. और हम बहुत excited हैं. दूसरा हमारे को बहुत डर भी लग रहा है पड़ना. What do you think?
We haven't actually thought about it.
Yeah. तो अभी अंदर जाके पता लगेगा कि हम actually ocean में जा पाते हैं, हम यहीं से घर भाग सकते हैं.
नहीं, हम जाएंगे तो जाएंगे.
पक्का जाएंगे.
चाहे 1 मिनट.
बस अपर्णा ने बोल दिया तो पक्का जाना ही पड़ेगा. Guys, चलो. तो पहले भी ट्रेनिंग.
We've got the most bold diver with us today. Palak has made it through to the staircase. And I am very sure she is going to be winning a beer for me and not losing a whole crate of beer. No, please maintain the time. That's it. Please maintain the time. Yes, doesn't matter. And bold and the beautiful Kamika in the blue corner. Gangster. Kanika don't dive, huh? I mean, in the ocean you dive, but not here. Cool. What a.
पूल में ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद हम निकल पड़े अपनी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ. देयर वर लिटरल बटरफ्लाइज रनिंग इन अवर स्टमक while we were going towards the ocean. This is the deck and यहाँ से हमें बोट पे बैठ के ओशन के बीच में जाना था.
The sea is there. That little opening, that's called the mouth. So that's where the ocean and the backwaters meet.
The journey from the deck to the mid of the ocean was an awesome experience itself. The views were simply amazing. We got so lost in the beauty of the ocean that we simply forgot how nervous we were.
I'm a little scared, excited, and I don't know how long I'm going to stay there. These are my guests. There's my feelings very
बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ बहुत प्रेशर आ रहा
And here I am, under the water, away from all the nuisance in the world. I really can't describe the feeling when I was under the water, but I'm gonna cherish the moment for the rest of my life.
Feelings always keeping us close, but it's strange now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows
Another great thing is that diving is the closest thing to flying. It makes you feel like you're weightless and flying into the blue. This was one of the best experiences of my life.
we can see so clear.
If you are in Pondicherry with a good budget, scuba miss karna is like committing a sin. It is one of the best sense of adventure.
And you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is
Scouring the Bay of Bengal and bidding hi to fishes passing by our nose is one of the coolest thing you can experience.
in June, lifting us higher. We can see so clear. We can see so clear. We can see so clear. We can see so clear.
So guys, we have finally done it. Okay, I have finally done it. और मेरा instructor, he was my instructor. Okay, and we were there at 32. No, I mean, how long I was there?
32 minutes.
32 minutes I was in water. और कितनी depth पे गए थे हम?
About 12 meters.
Around 12 meters. Oh, yippee! Yippee! Hooray! So I'm so happy today, and these are the girls sitting there.
And now we can be a party.
Yeah, we can be a part of it. And we are so happy. Bye bye. Hey guys.
Okay, Kanika, Kala and Aparna, please come. Okay, Aparna. Who's Aparna? She's Aparna. Sorry, I was always thinking that you. Okay. Okay, sorry. Should we start one more time? Okay, just go on. Kanika, congratulations for your first heli scuba diving experience, and thank you so much for diving with Urban Norman.
Thank you.
Welcome to the family, all three of you.
Thank you.
One for you, Kala.
Thank you.
And one for Aparna. Kala is our special mermaid today. We convinced her from 0 to hero to go for the Discover Scuba Diving program, and she succeeded.
And all the credit goes to all of these people. Seriously, they motivated us a lot.
Yeah, but also you, congratulations. We're really, really proud of you. Everyone took his own step to the ocean.
Yeah.
Don't think that it's less work. For you, it's the maximum you could.
Hi guys, so it's evening 6 o'clock. दिन में हमने स्कूबा करा था and that was a wonderful experience. उसके बाद हम होटल गए थे. We had some food. हमने थोड़ा रेस्ट किया. अब हम निकले हैं शाम को ऑरोविला जाने के लिए. Guys, although ऑरोविला की जो टाइमिंग है सुबह 9:30 से इवनिंग 5:30 है बेसिकली, बट हम जा रहे हैं ऑरोविला जस्ट टू एक्सप्लोर कि क्या पता हमें शाम को कुछ मिल जाए. यहाँ पे आई हैव हर्ड कि वहाँ पे नाइट का व्यू बहुत अच्छा होता है. तो हम व्यू देखने जा रहे हैं. और आज गाड़ी मैं क्यों चला रही हूँ क्योंकि पलक ने बहुत गालियाँ दे चुकी है मुझे ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज उसने ज़्यादा ड्राइव कर लिया था और वो अब इस टाइम पे कैमरा के पीछे और वो मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर रही है. तो हम ऑरोविला पहुँचने में इट विल टेक मतलब हाउ मच टाइम? हाफ एन आवर. तो हाफ एन आवर लगेगा. हाफ एन आवर हम गाने सुनने वाले हैं, बहुत मस्ती करने वाले हैं और उसके बाद हम वहाँ पहुँचते हैं. देन आई शो यू द नाइट व्यू कि वहाँ पे नाइट व्यू कैसा होता है. टिल देन बाय बाय.
Unfortunately, Aurovilla got closed till the time we reached there. So we decided to come back to Aurovilla the next morning. Best part about going there was हमें रास्ते में दिख गया Tanto's रेस्टोरेंट जो हमारी टू डू लिस्ट में पहले से ही एडिट था. Tanto's is a well-known and well-located Italian restaurant and pizzeria which specializes in serving a range of cheesy pizzas made with the goodness of hand-picked toppings. ये यहाँ की मोस्ट लाइक प्लेसेस में से एक है, लोकल्स के लिए भी, फॉर इट्स पॉकेट फ्रेंडली एंड माउथ वाटरिंग पिज़्ज़ाज. Menu also includes n number of other items like salads, burgers, sandwiches and pasta. It offers outdoors as well as indoor seating arrangements, which guests can choose as per their comfort. The staff was attentive and prompt at service, ensuring customers are served well. The operating hours of this place are 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. We were not much hungry, so we ordered a pasta and strawberry fizz for ourselves, as we wanted to try something from this place.
ओके हाय गाइस, सो हम अभी टैंटोस कैफ़े हैं यहाँ पे. हम आए थे ऑरोविला. जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू कि हम यहाँ पे नाइट लाइफ देखने वाले हैं कैसी लगती है एंड ऑल, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऑरोविला इज़ क्लोज्ड एंड इट वाज क्लोज्ड आई मीन एट 4:38 टुडे. बट हम यहाँ पे टैंटोस में कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना है. टैंटोस इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर इट्स पिज़्ज़ाज एंड पास्ताज, सो वी डिडंट वांट टू हैव पिज़्ज़ा, तो हमने यहाँ पे पास्ता ऑर्डर किया. एंड दिस इज़ पिंक सॉस spaghetti pasta. It's looking yummy, so I'll just take a first bite. Let me see how is it. Not letting Palak try this thing. पहले मैं try करने वाली हूँ. Palak, what do you feel about it?
Seems good. Let me know how is it. I've been dying to eat spaghetti. How is it?
It's very nice.
Very nice.
I mean, it's very basic, very simple, but the flavor is very nice. And this is strawberry fizz which we have ordered.
Homemade strawberry.
Homemade strawberry fizz. My bad. It's also very nice. Wow.
After spending wonderful evening in Tantos, हम पहुंच गए the Sacred Heart Basilica Church. It is one of the most sacred and religious places of Pondicherry, and it is one of the most beautiful Catholic churches. Unfortunately, हम यहाँ पहुँचने में लेट हो गए थे, so we were not able to spend more time there, as it closes at 6:30 p.m. This is how I ended one of the best days of my life. So guys, this is not the end of our trip. Day 4's video will be out soon. Do watch the previous videos if you haven't watched them yet. Till then, keep exploring and do like, share and subscribe, and please share your thoughts in the comment section as well.